What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're having an amazing day. And today we're at this food festival, so we're going to be going in, we're going to be trying a lot of different foods inside of here. First I'm going to try a jerk burrito from, I think they're called Jerk Chicken Kings. So we're going to go in, we're going to try, and let's see what that is all about guys. But today is going to be completely amazing and we're going to try this jerk burrito. And guys, please pay attention. Wait a little bit and then we're gonna order this. Where are you guys located? Like, you guys have any other locations?
So we have a restaurant by Square One.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we have 2 trucks. So our trucks are always on the road, different festivals and events.
What I like about here, guys, is everything is just so diverse with the food, even the people. There's multi-race of people here, just trying all different kind of cuisines all along this food festival that's going on here. Look at what we got. We're going to try the jerk chicken burrito, the taste and everything that is inside of it. You can see even the corns, the beans, even the nuggets of jerk chicken inside of this. We're going to put 2 pieces of meat. We're going to put a few pieces of meat on these fries. We're going to eat it. The fries with the jerk chicken combined, and the seasoning, the spices. It's like a burst of flavors, but it's also a combination with the crispness of the fries, the jerk chicken, and the different sauces that are on jerk chicken burrito. Now that was a delight, but we're going to go to a couple other stalls.
Let me ask them first. Are you okay? Yes, they say
Yeah.
okay.
He dipped the brush inside of the sauce and then he just take it and just dab it all over the meat. The steam also helps to cook the meat. It's so authentic and so original. And there are so many different activities for you as a family to enjoy. But they have a water park, food trucks, fun activities for the kids. Not also that alone. It's mainly family oriented, different demographic of people who come here, enjoy themselves. What's up guys, my name is Marlon Lamy. We're going to be going to Centennial Park. We're going to be eating the jerk chicken burrito and 4 different food trucks along the way. And thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. What we have in store is we're going to be visiting many different black restaurants in and around the city of Toronto, and we're going to have a fun time. We're going to enjoy the full authenticity and the full experience of the Caribbean culture, the African culture, and everything within the black world. What we're going to specifically do, guys, is we have many different variations of different foods within the black world, that would ranging from your ackee and sawfish, your kenke, your everything. We have a lot of different ideas that we want to bring to the forefront, and I think what way to put the black world out there but just to create my channel and let it revolve around the food. So that's what we're doing today, and we're going to endorse the full black experience within Toronto. So thank you guys, and I really appreciate you guys for everything that you have done. This would not be possible without you guys. And without any further ado, let's get back into it. Another interesting and intriguing thing about this is the empanadas, because I want to know exactly how Chef Kiefer looked after the empanadas, and we're going to go inside and find out.
This is me and my wife's food truck. We decided in the past 2 years to open up our own business. So yeah. It's a long journey, but now we've finally reached here, and now we have like our dream opportunity, and this one is. The food truck, we basically did a business plan, and with that business plan, that was the first step to creating what we wanted to do in our food truck and stuff. This is a rasta pasta. It's a jerk coconut cream sauce. It gets penne and rainbow peppers, and Parmesan cheese, chili flakes.
And you said it's called the rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta.
You hear that, guys? The rasta pasta with chili sauce in it.
then what happens now is that this is a vegetarian, and then you can add the protein. So you can add jerk chicken, fried chicken, chicken wings, or if you want ackee sausage, or even a veg or the veggie option.
So you can get it as a vegetarian, or you can get it with meat.
Salty action for you.
Now you have the option to put the cheese on there.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. So you have the option to put meat on it. The customer, she's putting protein inside of the meal. So you have to cut it up, add it to the meal accordingly.
Yep. And then a little bit of regular sauce, and then that's it.
Let's see everything that he's put on the chicken sandwich in order to serve it.
There's a little bit more barbecue sauce on it. I mean regular sauce. And that's the Mikey.
And that's your Mikey Bird chicken sandwich. You have to get dirty in order to heat this burger. Definitely not a bite-sized burger. The different empanadas you have.
So we basically have different varieties of empanadas, but our main day-to-day empanadas that we have every day is we have our jerk chicken or ground beef and our spinach and cheese empanada. So the jerk chicken empanada is basically our homemade marinated jerk chicken.
Yeah.
And we marinate the chicken for 3 days, and then what happens is that we pull the chicken and then we put it in pastry that is 20% butter and 20% flour. So it's a very, very flaky dough. And it's deep fried too as well, and sometimes for people that want us to bake them, we also bake them as well. So sometimes it's like a patty, but it's traditionally it's a Uruguayan dish, and it's something that's I really enjoy, especially the jerk chicken empanada. This is the empanada, and this is a pastry, and inside it's filled. As you can see, it's very tightly filled, and that is jerk chicken. Okay. Then we also have our jalapeno popper empanada too as well, and we always make sure that when we fry them in the right oil too as well. Okay.
So now he's dropping the empanadas inside of the.
Yeah. And to differentiate it, I put it I put a little piece of thing to differentiate it. So this one is a veg and this one is a meat.
How long do you leave the empanadas inside of the oil for before you take it out?
I cook the empanadas for 7 to 8 minutes. And the jalapeno popper is basically our feature for this week. So we do features of different types of empanadas every week. So this week we have jalapeno popper. Last week we had mac and cheese. The week before that we have our oxtail, and also we have our ackee and sawfish empanadas too as well.
They have many different, the oxtail, the jerk chicken, jalapeno poppers. The varieties, it's very different, but also it's just the way how he prepares them.
Yeah. So if you want to see us where we're located at 25 Main Street South, I believe it is. But it's at a downtown Brampton Food District, right behind Subway. And as you can see, there's a lot of food trucks out there. And we're one of those food trucks that's trying to create something different to the community. And we're local and support local.
And local, it's where you always find the best talent. Cooking and knowing your way around the kitchen, you tend to have a niche for everything that is involved in the kitchen. Wow, look at that. It looks like a fried chips. The empanadas have mainly take on golden brown color. It's as flaky as a patty. That's what it reminds me of. There's also dipping sauces that you can add to the empanadas, and once you put it inside of it, the empanadas completely give you a different burst of flavor. We're gonna open it on the inside now, and look at this. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, let's try this. Wow. You taste the cheesiness, you taste the jalapeno, but it's very smooth as you're eating it. I want to try it with a little bit of the citrus adobo. A little salty taste to it, but with all of the different, you still taste the jalapeno with it, but this is also apparent in the empanadas as you're eating it. Let's try a little piece more of it. Just throw it all the way on the inside. Make sure you get that right there. It's really nice. Let's get started on the jerk chicken. I'm gonna try the jerk chicken. It's the same texture as well. It looks like the oxtail, but as you break it open, you can already smell the different flavors in it, and you can see all of the different spices on the empanada. Let's try a little bit of the sauce on it now. Whoa. I really do like this. It really gives you that Caribbean taste, that real authentic jerk chicken taste inside of the empanada too. Let's try a little bit more of this. Add a little bit more of the sauce on the inside of the empanada. Wow, look at that. Empanada is really good. Shout out to Chef Kiefer and these empanadas. It's the first time I'm trying it. These empanadas are really good. Look at that. This is a jalapeno. Let's put a little bit of the sauce on top of it. Look at that. Just plaster it with all that sauce. Just eat it. Wow. Look at even my fingers. It's not something for a spoon and fork. That's how you eat an empanada.
So in this location, we just opened 3 weeks back, but we are in this business since more than a year. We have 2 locations right now. The first location is in 545 Key Street, Toronto, and this is our second location in Brampton downtown. Look after rolls, wraps, and then we have Mexican as well with the Indian flavors like tacos.
Yeah.
We have tacos, they're Mexican, right?
Yeah.
But it's kind of a Indian fusion flavors as well. So it's kind of different, you will like it.
Now he's going to be preparing me burger, and we're going to see how he prepares the burger on the grill.
So this is our tandoori chicken, and we make it on the tandoor. It's not fried, so it's 100% healthy and tasty. All right, let's go. Chicken is going inside the tandoor.
Look at this.
It's propane, but the wall of this is called tandoor. So basically, the wall of this is made with clay. This is not oil. It's not fried. This is made with natural propane gas.
Yeah. You see the flame on the outer rim of the circle, and the chicken is inside of it. It's leaving it in there for 12 minutes, and the chicken is going to get its natural color with all of the spices. This chicken is supposed to be finger licking good, finger tasting good, and we're going to see how the chicken and all of the flavors are blended together.
Now we're going to take out the chicken from the tandoor. So this is how it looks like.
Wow,
No
look at-
oil, nothing.
No oil.
Yep.
Now we're just going to look as he take the chicken off of the skewer.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Chicken.
So now what we're gonna prepare, these are the buns for the tandoori chicken burger. So this is our coriander chutney. We make all the sauces on
You
us.
said coriander chutney?
Yes, all the sauces we make here. Yes. So now I'm gonna put garlic sauce.
All of his sauces, he makes them from scratch, and he's the one who put all of the different spins on the sauces in order to make it be edible to go with each meal.
So now we're
Yeah,
going to
your
put
onions.
some onions. Now I'm gonna put our tandoori sauce here, because this item is named tandoori chicken burger. So the main flavor is tandoori.
Oh, look at that.
Now I'm going to put some fried onions on top of the tandoori sauce like this. These are sweet pickles for the hot and sweet flavor. Now is the turn of the chicken. So it's fully loaded. Now here comes our special seasoning. This is the seasoning.
Is this seasoning hot or spicy? What is the free? What is it
The
like?
seasoning, the main ingredient is tandoori flavor. It is little bit hot and spice, both flavors. It's fully loaded, it's healthy, it has a lot of protein. So yeah, come and grab it.
We're going to try this now, guys. Wow. The onion, the sauce, the pickles, the collaboration between the chicken, the spice, the bun, and all of the seasonings inside of it. You can taste every fibers inside of the chicken. The flavors precedes every customer's expectation, from the texture of the bun, the meat, including the sweet, the savory, and the spicy. It's evident inside of the burger. If you guys are looking for organic, natural Indian spices, Indian food, Indian cuisine, Chakhna is where you guys should come, and definitely check out the flavors in every single one of the meal that this truck comes with, and the originality and the authenticity.
Hey guys, so we are on Uber Eats, Skip, DoorDash, as well as Pickup. So whatever is convenient for you guys, just come and grab the deals, because we have lots of deals going on.
menu is located on the back. Vegan sandwich to samosa, chana, chapatis, butter chicken. You can get it all here at Shahi Rasui. Every meal that you see here would be mainly breakfast, like the first thing that you get before you leave the house during the morning. We're gonna open one of the bread pakora and try it for the first time. So this one is fried, but as you look, you can see it looks like potato on the inside of it, and then the bread is layering it like a sandwich. Try this again. This sauce is a universal sauce when it comes on to the food here. You can also put this sauce on the bread. Look at that, look at that. You can see the glossiness of the red sauce inside of the bread pakora. The samosas stuffed with potatoes. These meals are very different, but it tastes amazing. The meals are really good. When it comes on to Indian cuisine, it's versatile because you can get vegetarian, you can get meat dishes, but I like the samosas, the bread, and everything else that is here. Let's try and open the potato with
It's like mashed potatoes and spices inside this, and it's like covered with bread. The red one is sweet.
We're gonna try all of them together. All of them. Let's try. You get a sweet, you get a salty. The potato contrasts the flavor of everything that is inside of this, including there's onions. I like the salty with it. I like the smoothness of the potato and the spices. Look, you guys can see even the onions, the potatoes, and the spices. Green chili, red chili, onion, and garam masala is inside of this one too. Let's put another little bit taste. Really easy to eat, but with the sauce, it really makes the food taste that much better. They are mainly vegetarian, but they would serve different meat dishes if you're interested. They're in the downtown district of Brampton. Atmosphere is good and everything else, guys. We're gonna taste a little bit of the rajma rice. Just for a little bit. You have to get everything on the spoon all at once, all the different flavors, including the parsley. It tastes almost like a salsa. The rajma and the rice, it's really soft. I can really get that authentic and original taste out of the rice. Get all of everything on here. And I get chai tea with it too, guys. What I've come to realize is once you start on all of the food here, you just can't stop eating it. Oh, look at that. The cauliflower. Yeah, guys. And you get chai tea with it too. Ooh, it's really hot. So I'm gonna wait until the tea cool down a little bit. Well guys, today was a blast. Food is just good. It's bursting with flavors. The atmosphere is just so family oriented and it's just so welcoming. So with that being said, guys, I am completely full. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching.